Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Welcome back to Krishna Kumar Everyday English. Today, I am going to teach you a topic called simple past tense and past continuous tense. వీడియోలో మనం సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ టెన్స్ గురించి, పాస్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్ గురించి, వాటి స్ట్రక్చర్స్, ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్తో సహా మనం నేర్చుకుందాం. So now here, and before we learn this simple past tense, we have to know the verb forms properly. Then we can understand that the given sentence is in the simple past tense. Now here, verb forms: verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, verb 4, verb 5. Here, eat is a verb 1. So verb 2 of eat is ate, and verb 3 of eat is eaten, verb 4 of eat is eating, verb 5 of eat is eats. So eat, ate, eaten, eating, eats. So like that forms are there. So these verb forms, if we can understand properly, and we can substitute wherever the verb 2 is there. So if you understand the verbs properly, you can write the structure and the sentences properly in the given sentences. Now here, see, I have written one example here for the simple past tense example. I ate an apple. I is the subject, ate is the verb 2, an apple is the object. Subject, verb 2, object. Subject, verb 2, object అనేది స్ట్రక్చర్ సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ టెన్స్ కి. సో హియర్ I is the subject here. So in the subject is a doer of the action. Verb 2, as we have written here, verb 1 is eat, verb 2 is ate. So I have just placed here verb 2, and then an apple is object. What do you mean by object? Object is a receiver of the action. I have written here object, an apple. I ate an apple is the sentence here. And now to write this here in the past continuous tense, one example here, and we have to know the structure for the past continuous tense here: subject, helping verb, verb 4, and object. Subject means already I have written all the subjects here. Helping verbs, we have to know helping verbs are two helping verbs are there for the past continuous tense. One is was, the other one is were. And now after helping verbs, verb 4, that is a present participle, that is ing form, that is like eating will be here, and next to object. So if you know the structure properly, we can write the examples easily. Now I have given you one example, and you have to write the other sentences using the structure. Are you all ready to write the examples here for this? Okay, now I request here Neeta Vishwa to write the example for the past continuous tense. One example, write it. As you write, you read. I was eating an apple. Very good. So I ate an apple is here example, and I was eating an apple is a sentence structure. Correct? Yes. So here two helping verbs are, one is was and the other one is were. She used only one helping verb, that is was. So next here, and here here is another person. Yeah, come here. Samskruti will write, I think, the answer. She drank milk. Okay, that is a structure. Subject, verb 2, and object. You have written verb 2, drank. Okay, you drank milk is a example for the simple past tense. She has chosen to write here example for the simple past tense. Here now Manogna will write one example for the past continuous tense. Write the example which you know. Okay, you are drinking milk. So how did you write this answer here? So there are two helping verbs are there. So which helping verb did you use for the sentence? Were. Why did you use were there?
It is the helping verb.
It is suitable for the, it agrees with the subject. So will was agree with the subject? Why? Because
Was drinking milk. It is not correct.
not correct. Okay, that is singular. This is the plural subject and plural verb. Very good. Go on, please be seated. Thank you. Next, and here Sahasra Padmini, and can you please write one example for simple past tense? We played Cricket. Very good. Good example. We played cricket. Yes, cricket is an interesting game. We enjoy, right? Here and who is going to write an answer for the past continuous tense? Can you write? Yeah. Okay. Hasini, D. Hasini is willing to write. Yes. As you write, keep saying. We were playing cricket. Okay. So now it's completed. Very good. Next, Bhavya, can you write one example for this simple past tense? Bhavya is going to write an example for the simple past tense. As you write, you have to read.
They caught a thief.
They caught a thief is the example for simple past tense. And next, Akhila will write an example for the past continuous tense. You say as you write. They were catching
a thief.
a thief. Very good example. Very nice. Okay. So now here is in simple past tense. Okay. Here Yokiran will write an example for simple past tense. What is that example? As
He saw a tiger.
He saw a tiger. Very good. And next, yeah, Pavan, will you write an example for it? Right. Which one will you write? Yes. Yes. She sang a song. Very good. It is in simple past tense. And who is going to write here for the past continuous tense example? Yes, right. Srija will write. Yeah, he was seeing a tiger. So that is the example for past continuous tense. So next, who is going to write here for the past continuous tense? Another example. Will you write? Yes. Yeah, Nakshatra will write. Yeah. Right, Nakshatra. One example for the past continuous tense. What is that example?
She was singing a song.
She was singing a song. So why did you write here she was singing a song? Why didn't you write she was singing a song?
It will wrong, sir.
Yeah. It is not suitable.
Not agreeing with verse.
Yes, very good. Subject is not agreeing with the verb. Therefore, you used only was here. Very good. Next, yeah, write an example, Ishwar Chandra. One example for the simple past tense. What is that example?
It smelled delicious.
It smelt delicious. Next, yeah, right. Shivanki is writing an example. So what did you write here?
It was smelting delicious.
Smelling or smelting?
Smelting. Smelting.
Smelling. So here verb 4 you have to write here. What is that? Write L properly.
Smelling.
Smelling delicious. Very good.